Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to share with you my visit to a magnificent city called Bamberg, which is rich in heritage and is a part of UNESCO World Heritage Site. Bamberg is located in southern Germany in the north of Bavaria. It is a good example of a Central European town with a basically early medieval town planning and architecture. As you see, I visited the city during the cold winter evenings, and during Christmas, one can come across German market with hot Glühwein all around the city center. Its old town preserves structures from 11th to 19th centuries, including the island I'm currently walking on, and it is a city town hall. The building reflects the Baroque style of architecture, as you see on this sculpture, and also there are murals carved on the facades of the building. The Regnitz River is flowing underneath the island through the monuments, and a fresco art is preserved on the facades of the building. And during Christmas, the city center is lit up with its Christmas decoration and lights. And that's the view of the town hall building from the other side of the bridge. It is nice to walk through the city even on cold winter nights, as the chanting water sounds makes it feel like a meditation walk. And that was a short walk in Bamberg for you. I hope you liked it. So see you until next.